Hello and welcome. So today at Nutmeg Technologies, we wanted to talk about Google's Made with Code initiative to help inspire and engage women with technology. So this initiative is housed on this website here, which you can find at madewithcode.com. And this was launched just over 2 years ago in June of 2014. And the purpose of this is to promote girls to get into the STEM fields, which are science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, especially to study computer science. So some stats you can find on the website about STEM fields are that 74% of girls expressed interest in science or in STEM fields in middle school, but by high school, only about 0.3% plan to study computer science. And more importantly, computer science and technology continues to grow, and CS jobs will be some of the highest paying in the next decade, with about $15,000 above average in pay, which is huge. So, and also the number one factor influencing girls' pursuit of computer science is encouragement from adults and peers. So it's really important that we encourage girls to go into the STEM field. Made with Code's main goal is to get girls excited about code and to show them all the different things they can do with it. And they have a bunch of sponsors that have gotten involved so far, some of which are Mozilla, the Girl Scouts of the United States of America, the National Center for Women and Information Technology, Code.org, and TechCrunch, just to name a few. And as you can see, the website has a bunch of different features. And right now we're looking at the About tab. This just explains what Made with Code is about and its goals. And under this section here, why coding is a big deal, you can find a downloadable PDF. It's kind of a starter kit for getting involved with code. So I really recommend that you check that out. Some of the other features, here you see the mentors page. And this shows you other girls and women of all ages and jobs that are involved with coding, and it shares with you their stories through some videos you can watch. Community connects you with other girls who love code, and this features their Instagram account at Made with Code. There is a gallery of images you can view, and you can even host a party, as you can see here. Resources connects you with resources for learning more about code yourself. There's partner projects, which are from some of the sponsor companies. You can learn to make your own web page with Mozilla, or you can check out Code.org, which has some really great tutorials to start out with. And another tab here, which is one of the most fun ones, is projects. And here there are a bunch of different interactive games that you can find online here. You can see there's quite a few. You can build a kaleidoscope, mix your own music. There's some games from Disney Pixar, Powerpuff Girls. And here you find Emojify, which I'm going to show you today. So to get started, you want to take this emoji block and place it in your user space. And go ahead and add your character. And this you can choose from a list of presets here. And then here you have a list where you can personalize with different features to personalize your emoji. So we can add some eyes. And this is a really cool part. So you want to take these little number blocks and stick them into the X and Y slots here. And what these do is these correspond to the numbers here on the grid. So they're basically just X and Y values on a graph that correspond with the location of your feature. So you can move that laterally or up and down as you like. You can add more features and do the same. And then add some clothing, perhaps. And then a tool, add a little more interest. And here I'm going to go for test 2. And there you go, you have your finished emoji. So when you're all happy with yours, you can click this done button here, and it'll show you your finished project. So from here, you can go ahead and download if you choose, maybe upload it on social media, perhaps tag Made with Code. You can check out the other projects that are featured on the website or take a look at the resources. I really recommend checking out these partner projects. There's a lot of cool options here. One of my favorites is the Mozilla Website Maker, which is very cool. So go ahead and give a look around the website and get involved with code. And take a look at our technology blog, which is found on nutmegtechnologies.com, nutmegtech.com. And here we've got a bunch of articles about network and data, cybersecurity, and all things tech related. So thanks for listening and have a great rest of your day.